What's up beautiful people out there? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I decided to show you guys where I live in Poland. So I'm going to give you guys an example of where I live. So let's go. Alright guys, so in Poland, or I think majority of the European countries have this lock system in every apartment they live. So basically we need to enter the code in order to open this door. I have said this in my previous apartment door. So it's an added security that we have. So I'm going to dial in the password. And yeah, the biggest disadvantage of my apartment is there are no lift, and I live in the 4th floor, so I need to climb a lot, especially when we get the groceries and all those stuffs. So follow me. Alright, we reached 4th floor apartment. Alright, so when we enter, on this side we have like a big mirror, which is actually good. We can actually look before we get out of the house. And over here we have the shoe rack. On the left side, which means your right side, we have a room which my roommate lives. So we're not going to disturb them, neither we are going to see the room, but let's see our room. So this is my hub. Over here, over here we have a walk-in closet concept, but basically this closet doesn't really have much space, so I'm not sure why exactly it is here, but it's okay. We have another one over here. This is basically my main cupboard, and I have a beautiful mirror over here, which is also good because I don't really need to go outside to get ready. Over here I have a humidifier, and as I don't have a table, this remains here. Let's just switch it on. Okay, so I was cleaning it, that's why this was switched off, but otherwise I always keep it open. This is my workstation. I really love my workstation because my monitor, my table, everything is in a black and white concept, which is actually good. And then the view from the room is actually kind of weird because it's like greeting the neighbors kind of situation early in the morning, but still we get enough natural light the whole day, so it's okay. And during summer it's gonna get even better because of the trees that we have over here. And then what we have, the last in this room is the light source of my room. So the first one is the main light, which is actually too bright for me, so I don't usually use that. Mainly what I use is the small lamp over here, which is actually very cute, and it's given by the owner. So I just press on it and I get a very warm feeling in the room, especially at night. So this is something that I would actually prefer every time, and even when I have meetings I just use this light. Alright, so up next is our living space. This is actually a very natural and alright, so our living space is very nice and cozy. It's filled with a lot of natural light, and there's tons of storage. That's another thing, but it's an attached kitchen. So over here we have kitchen, and then over here we have a living space, which is good because we feel the space is kind of huge to lounge in. So this is our sofa. It's a very good sofa come bed, which is good when we have guests over. We can actually make them sleep over here because this is pretty comfy, and also a very good lounge area. Over here we have the storage space, and as we don't have a balcony, we usually put our clothes over here to dry. There are still clothes over here drying, so ignore that. And again, a lot of storage over here, and a very good TV stand to separate the kitchen and the living space. And also this is my my flatmate's workspace, because her room is not very big, but it's big, but it will be congested if she have her workspace over there. So that's why it's over here. Welcome to my kitchen, one of my favorite places in this house, mainly because of its vintage look and the natural light that's coming into this kitchen. You always have that good mood to cook food. So let's get into the details. Over here we have some bananas, ignore that. We are actually growing a onion plant. We're trying, but let's see how successful that would be. And then we have a dining table over here, which is good. We could actually eat meals together. Before, in the previous apartments, we used to eat in the room, which is actually very bad. But at least over here we have a kitchen and a designated area to eat. And then we have a lot of workplace, and over here we have the induction cooktop. And all Indian kitchen will have such a beautiful spice cupboard. And as you can see, there's a lot of space to store your things, and I like this kitchen. Over here we have a dishwasher, but we usually don't use it. Like, I don't use it much because we don't have a lot of dishes, right? It's just for one or maximum two person. Let me show you the fridge. It's like ignore the mess inside the fridge, but it's like a inbuilt fridge. And over here we have a freezer that's filled with snow, as it didn't snow this year in Poland, but our freezer did snow a lot. And then we have a good pantry area over here. So we keep our onions, garlic, and chili, all those stuff over here, which is good because it's hiding from what people see. The light source, so we have like two of them, one over here and one over here. So we actually have quite a good light source even at night when we don't have the sunlight. And say hi to Shard. Oh damn, I forgot to show you the bathroom. So we have quite a spacious bathroom over here. The shower area is huge, something that I didn't have after coming to Poland. Then we have a good mirror over here, water heater, washing machine, wash basin, toilet, which we're not interested in. Then we have a small closet over here to store all of our toiletries. So that's it for the bathroom. It's also very a lot of light, full bathroom. Alright, so we're back to the same spot, the cold spot, just for you guys, just to talk about the more details about the apartment. So the rent we pay around 3,000 zloty per month together, so which means 1,500. This is the approx amount, okay? So it's like 1,500 per person, and this includes the bills. So even if the bill is like a lot or less, we still pay the same amount. And this is actually discussed and paid here and there at the end of the year with the owner. And yeah, that's pretty much about the rent. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and share to some people who do you think would be helpful for them. Until I see you guys next time, that's a goodbye. God bless.